I can't forget it. मतलब one of the best place I visited.
वाह! अच्छा जब घूमते हो जगह-जगह तो डू यू थिंक कि ये आपको एज़ अ इंसान चेंज कर रहा है? लाइक
यस,
इवॉल्व कर रहा है?
यस। वो सारे लोग ऐसे बैठे हुए थे क्योंकि अगर हम खड़े रहते तो हम गिर जाते। इतना स्ट्रांग वो उसका फोर्स था।
हाँ,
द एम इज एंजॉयिंग लाइफ।
एन्जॉय राइट। तो ट्रायम्फ ने आपको काफ़ी कुछ सिखा दिया जैसे ट्रायम्फ
यस,
400,
यस। ट्राई स्पीड 400।
स्पीड 400 परफेक्ट, नाइस, ब्यूटीफुल। संप्रदा, प्लीज़ कैसे हो आप?
आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू?
बहुत बढ़िया। सो संप्रदा, इंस्टेड ऑफ मी इंट्रोड्यूसिंग यू, आप अपने बारे में हमारे ऑडियंस को बताइए, कौन हो आप?
Okay, so hi all, I'm Samprada, proud owner of Cherry, a car Triumph Speed 400. And if I talk about myself, so I'm a girl from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, a middle class girl who never thought she will own a bike one day, but yes, I did it. And career wise, I'm a data engineer. And yeah, we are 5 members in the family. My father is a businessman, my mother is a homemaker, and I have a little sister and little brother.
वाओ! परफेक्ट, स्वीट स्वीट फैमिली। संप्रदा मुझे बताइए कि किस चीज़ ने आपको इंस्पायर किया? बाइक लेना, बाइक चलाना, व्हाट वाज़ द इंस्पिरेशन?
ओके, सो सिंस आई वाज अ चाइल्ड, मैंने देखा है कि हमारे फैमिली में सबके पास बाइक्स थी, लाइक ऑल माय ब्रदर्स कजिन्स. सो फ्रॉम दैट टाइम आई वांटेड टू बाय अ बाइक. And then when I was in 8th standard, 10th standard, one of my friend was riding a bike.
हुँ,
Okay, so that time already I have decided I will own a bike one day in a life. Okay. Then I had responsibilities, and recently, in 2 years back, my father had an accident. He wanted to buy a bike since almost last 15 years, and his dream bike was Bullet, Royal Enfield Classic 350. But he couldn't do it due to our responsibilities. But then after he had an accident, I don't know what happened, but I had that strong wish to buy that bike. And then I decided, I planned it, I struggled for it, and I bought it.
वाओ! सो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी बिहाइंड आपने बाइक क्यों ली
Yes,
एंड क्या
yes,
इंस्पिरेशन था, क्यों
yes.
खरीदा? परफेक्ट। तो क्योंकि अब आपके पास बाइक है, आप जब लॉन्ग ड्राइव में जाते हो, पहली बात ऐसा कौन-सा लॉन्ग ड्राइव आपका रहा है, लाइक लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस, जो आपके मेमोरीज़ में अभी भी है?
Okay, so I had been to Hampi,
ओके,
Goa on my cherry, and I have been to Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar many times, and I had been to Konkan once, the
हुँ,
solo ride. So I feel these all are my favorite rides. I
वाओ!
enjoyed a lot. I found new me, I would say, and yeah, it gave me confidence. It was really good experience.
परफेक्ट। बिकॉज़ सी आप एक लड़की हो, एक सोसाइटल जजमेंट होता है कि लड़की कैसे गाड़ी चला
Yes.
रही है। तो ऐसा कुछ स्टेरियोटाइप, ऐसा कोई जजमेंट आपने कभी फेस किया है?
To be honest, मतलब सच-सच बोलूँ तो it started with my family itself.
ओके।
Because uh, as a parents, they were thinking I will be able to do it or not.
हुँ,
Okay. But if I talk about society or
ओके।
relatives or other people, everyone was saying why the bike?
हुँ,
क्योंकि उस उतने बजट में I could have owned a car, और as you also know we are of the same age, so शादी का प्रेशर तो रहता ही है. Everyone was saying कि अरे इसमें तो शादी हो जाएगी.
हाँ,
Why you are owning the bike at this age? So these all thoughts were there. And then लड़की है, बाइक कैसे चलाएगी, लोग
हुँ,
नाम रखेंगे.
हुँ,
So these all was there. But I had my family. I'm
हुँ,
really blessed. So yeah, that goes well.
या जब आपने सोचा और मे बी जब आपने ला लिया गाड़ी घर पे, तब आपका पेरेंट्स का क्या रिएक्शन था?
Okay. So जब मैंने बताया घर पे,
हुँ,
I mean I asked to the parents कि मुझे गाड़ी लेनी है and I'm thinking of buying the bike, not car. So they first said कि are you sure? You know what the family is going through. You
हुँ, हुँ,
have all the responsibilities. Are
हुँ,
you sure you want to buy that bike? And
ओके,
I said, yes, I want to do that. I didn't tell them ki why I want to buy that, but I said, I want to do that.
हुँ,
Then they had options. मेरे कजिन्स के पास ऑलरेडी थी. सो दे सेड कि ठीक है तो इसको सिर्फ पीछे लेके दिखा एंड देन यू कैन बाय इट. And to be honest, I couldn't do that time
Uh-huh.
because I learned a bike after buying that. जब गाड़ी ली तब मुझे गाड़ी नहीं आती थी, उसके बाद मैंने सीखा है.
ओके.
बट जब मैंने घर पे बताया, बीइंग अ पेरेंट, उनका रिएक्शन ऐसे था कि आप वो कैसे हैंडल करोगी, आप वो उठा पाएगी, आर यू श्योर. बट जब मैंने गाड़ी लिया ना, मेरे पेरेंट्स सबसे ज़्यादा हैप्पी थे. मेरी मदर की खुशी देखने जैसी थी. ऐसे होता है ना कि नहीं यार, मेरी लड़की ने कुछ कर दिखाया, कुछ नया किया. Their reaction was like that, and I'm very happy कि at least I could give them such moments in life.
वो आपके चेहरे पे दिख रहा है. इनफैक्ट मैंने एक रील भी देखी थी जहाँ पे आपने अपने मॉम को गाड़ी पे बिठाया था.
Yes.
सो हैप्पी. अब क्योंकि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर पेरेंट्स, यू हैव आल्सो मेंशन कि यू नो एज हो जाती है, जैसे सोसाइटल एक बायोलॉजिकल एक एज
Yes,
समझ के
yes,
रखते हैं कि
agree.
ये एज में लड़कियों की शादी हो जानी चाहिए. नाउ इफ यू थिंक अबाउट योर पार्टनर, आप उनके साथ कहाँ जाना चाहोगे? ऐसी कौन से जगहों को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहोगे?
Okay, as I mentioned, my parents are really good. I'm really blessed. On the other hand, my partner is also very, very good, to be honest. He's very kind. Because when I thought about buying a bike, many people were there who said, you can't do it, don't go with that. They gave me other options. But my parents, more than parents, I am really blessed to have my brother and sister. So they told me, you want to do it, you do it. And my partner really appreciated कि ठीक है, तू लेना चाहती है, तू ले ले. Even he was there with me for taking the trials.
Wow.
Trial rides हम जब लेते हैं.
हाँ.
And after that, my brother and my partner taught me how to ride a bike. Okay.
Beautiful.
And if I talk about my destinations where I want to travel, it is surely Leh Ladakh and Spiti. In Spiti, we have the lake. In Leh Ladakh, we have Pangong. And in Spiti, we have Chandratal Lake. I really dream to be there very, very soon. I'm manifesting for that.
Wow. Hoping कि वो जल्दी से
Yes,
पूरा हो
yes,
जाए.
we are
बहुत
planning
beautifully
also.
shoot.
But
हाँ.
let's see how things goes.
How things goes. Right. अभी तक के आपने जितने भी डेस्टिनेशंस कवर किए हैं, उसमें से सबसे मेमोरेबल क्या रहा है और क्यों?
Okay, so the most memorable is Hampi. Because we traveled from Pune to Hampi. Then we stayed there, and while we were coming back, we went to Goa.
Okay.
Okay, so Hampi, why it is memorable? First of all, it is very ancient city, and while we were going to Hampi, I traveled a bike. I mean, I rode the bike all the way. So it is memorable because it was our first trip, such a long trip, and we had very, very good time there because we learned, and the people from Hampi, they are really very, very kind.
Okay.
Because we needed help many times, so they helped me. Many of them literally give me comments, like they appreciated me कि लड़कियों के बाइक चला रही हो, very, very good. And many girls were there. Even it is a small town,
Okay.
but women there were really appreciating me by giving thumbs up and by like literally watching me and giving smiles.
Admiring कि wow.
Yeah.
क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है that you know especially women are not very comfortable और maybe उनको वो you know एक ये नहीं मिलता कि confidence नहीं मिल पाता that will I be able to you know ride it और ऐसा कुछ. तो वो एक confusion की वजह से और maybe अपने आप को थोड़ा सा confidence low करने की वजह से they
Yes,
sometimes
it
don't
happens.
do it.
Yeah.
ऐसा कौन सा adventurous trip रहा है आपका? You know या फिर maybe आपने कोई जगह पे जाके ऐसा कुछ adventurous किया हो जो आपके हमेशा memory में रहा है?
Yes, on the same trip, Hampi, I was riding a bike on highway
Okay.
to Karnataka, and first time I was riding on a highway with the speed of almost 120, 130. बहुत ज़्यादा रात थी.
Okay.
It was near about 1:30 in the night. बारिश आ रही थी, and I was riding a bike.
Okay.
It is not kind of adventurous for the bikers who are like एकदम pro वाले bikers. But for me, as I was a fresher rider, it was really kind of adventurous thing for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. बारिश में गाड़ी
Yes.
चलाना and exploring that. नाउ अगर मैं आपको पूछूं कि ऐसा वर्ल्ड में कौन सी जगह है जो आप गाड़ी से जाना चाहोगे, अपने बाइक से जाना चाहोगे, what would that
Again,
place be?
Leh Ladakh and
Okay.
Spiti.
Okay, nice, perfect. Now, ऐसे कौन सी toughest situation है you have faced on the road? Like कभी आप जा रहे हो, राइड कर रहे हो और मे बी अंधेरे में या आप कहीं गुम हो गए हो, ट्रिप में जा रहे हो, विद द ग्रुप, ऐसा कौन सा टफेस्ट फेज रहा है आपके पास, फेज रहा है?
Okay, so this is a recent event.
Mhm.
Okay, we were going to Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Me and my partner was there. Okay, and suddenly we are from Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar.
Mhm.
So जाते वक्त we know Ahilya Nagar.
Mhm.
So it is there, and there is a famous hotel there, Sandeep Hotel.
Okay.
So we had a dinner there. It was near about 10:30 the night, and after that my tire was punctured.
Oh.
And for near about 45 minutes we were roaming here and there. Then we met one guy, and he said he know one place where we can be done it. So हम वहाँ पे गए, but जो रास्ता था वहाँ पे जाने के लिए,
Hmm.
it was really scary.
Oh.
So that is one thing I remember when I think about something scary.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
I can understand.
Yeah.
Being a girl, कहीं ना कहीं ये situations थोड़े
Yes.
difficult लगते हैं.
Yes.
Now if I may ask कि कभी ऐसा कुछ breakdown या कोई accident हुआ है while riding the bike?
There are two incidents.
Mhm.
One is when I took the bike, we went to Tamini Ghat.
Mhm.
Okay. There were group of almost 7-8 people, and we have one more women rider in the group. So she rides very very well. She's my schoolmate. Okay. And I was the one who was riding for the first time. We went on one spot. I don't remember that spot exactly, but we went there. Okay. And while I was taking turn, near about for the first seventh time, okay, I fell down,
Mhm.
and there were 7-8 people,
Okay.
okay, who were looking at me. They didn't judge me because they all my friends. Even they helped me in that situation, but I felt it very embarrassing, and it lowered down my confidence. उसके बाद लिटरली 2 दिन मैंने गाड़ी को हाथ भी नहीं लगाया था बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी वेरी स्केरी. बट उसके बाद फिर मेरे पार्टनर ने मुझे मतलब अप्रिशिएट किया कि या फिर थोड़ा इंस्पायर किया कि नहीं यू कैन डू इट, यू डू इट. देन उसके बाद नाउ इट्स नॉर्मल.
अब तो
या नाउ इट्स वेरी वेरी नॉर्मल.
नाइस. ऐसी बहुत से women हैं out there. What do you want to say to somebody who wants to start riding?
सी वी एज ए विमेन एवरी टाइम थिंक कि हमें ये करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. First of all, that thought is very rubbish.
Okay.
We can do anything if we want. It's all about how we choose to do it. When I was in 8th-9th standard, I was wishing to own a bike. मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि at the age of 27-28 I'll own it. But when I thought of giving it, buying it, also as I mentioned, मेरे पास भी बहुत सारे suggestions थे कि you should not do this, you should not do this. So go out of the box, do whatever you want. The real people who wants to see you successful or happy, they will always
Appreciate
support
your
you
leader.
in any situation. The people who will judge you, who will tell you should not do this, they are the people that think they don't want to see you doing that. So as a woman, do whatever you want. You are capable of everything. So again, don't think, just do it and enjoy the life. Life is a one time thing.
Wow, beautifully said.
Yeah.
Right. अब मुझे ये बताइए संपदा, बिकॉज नाउ यू आर अ राइडर, ठीक है, आप सोलो ट्रिप्स भी करते हो, ग्रुप ट्रिप्स भी करते होगे. व्हाट प्रिकॉशंस यू टेक व्हाइल यू डू अ सोलो राइड?
Okay. So first of all, while going to solo ride, whatever place I decide, I talk with the people who have visited that place. Ki it is a safe or not. What options are there, like the routes and everything. I talk with the people and then decide a place. First of all, once I decide a place, I find a good time to visit there. Okay. Then I do the servicing of bike before leaving for that place. Because it is very very mandatory. We as a women, to be honest, it is very very heavy bike. So if something happens in the middle of the way, I will not be able to handle it as the
Hmm.
boy can do, to be honest.
Hmm.
Okay. But if we take precautions, because precautions is better than cure,
Correct.
right?
Hmm.
So if we take precautions before leaving, it is always good. So I
Hmm.
do a servicing and everything. I do check everything.
Hmm.
I make a fuel full,
Hmm.
and then while I'm going,
Hmm.
I keep extra pairs of, let's say, socks
Hmm.
for the shoes, balaclava,
Hmm. Hmm.
wet wipes.
What is that? If you could.
Balaclava is what we wear inside the helmet.
Okay.
Okay,
It
because
helps to.
yeah, hairs जो होते हैं ना वो बहुत dry हो जाते हैं
ठीक
inside
है.
helmet.
Hmm.
So if we wear balaclava, it keeps us like hair. It
Hmm.
feels
Hmm.
good.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, and then I keep water bottle, the lube, chain cleaning and chain lube.
Okay.
It is, we should do it frequently
What
while
is that? If you could.
uh,
Lubrication you're talking
yes,
about. Mm-hmm.
lubrication. One is there who cleans the chain,
Okay.
and one is there who lubes the chain.
Hmm.
So I keep it there with me. So
Okay.
yeah, that's all. And obviously the cameras, extra batteries, power banks.
For shoots.
Yeah, yeah.
नाइस. नाउ अगर आप मुझे ये बताइए कि जो बाइकिंग कम्युनिटी है, ठीक है, वो क्या वुमेन को बहुत वेलकमिंग है, या दे स्टिल हैव अ जजमेंट कि वुमेन चला पाएंगे या नहीं? व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दैट?
टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मैंने अभी तक 2-3 ग्रुप्स के साथ में गई हूँ.
हम्म.
If you see on my feed on a Triumph, I have posted a reel where I went to the army event.
ओके.
Okay, it was army marathon from SBI, and I went there. It was my first event actually as a women rider. I felt really good there because even though the people from that event were all from army officers, class one officers, or at the big level, but the way they were welcoming us, but the way they were talking with us, it was really good. Yeah, I mean, I felt very good that India is moving towards some good things
Hmm.
that I felt. And even though I could go on a group trips, so yes, the people who know that this is a normal thing, it is not a thing which women can't do, they actually support people, they actually support women.
वंडरफुल.
Yeah.
नाइस. अब हमें थोड़ा सा इंफॉर्मेशन और दीजिए. दैट आप अपने बैकपैक में वाइल्ड राइडिंग लेके जाते हो जब आप, तो आप क्या क्या रखते हो बैकपैक में?
Okay, so I do a water bottle, Insta 360, which is a camera,
Mm-hmm.
extra batteries if I need, power bank, headphones, cable chargers, balaclava extra pair, socks extra pair, hand gloves. I do have 2-3 hand gloves, so I keep it. If like you want, you don't want, it's your optional.
Hmm.
And I keep one more extra T-shirt for me
Okay.
because if in the summer
Mm-hmm.
when we ride, it's very hot outside.
Hmm.
So I make sure after every 4-5 hours I change T-shirts.
Hmm.
So
Right.
yeah, that's all. And then basic lip balm, sunscreen.
Hmm. Okay. Got it. Now, if I may ask you, Samprada, अगर माउंटेन बीचेस या डेजर्ट में आपको डेजर्ट्स में आपको कहीं जाके राइड करने का मन करे, तो कहाँ होगा सबसे पहले?
To be honest, it's really hard to
Okay.
choose one of them. But I have never been to deserts, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
But in mountains and beach, I would say both. But my preference would be mountains always.
Okay.
Why? Because on the beach we can't ride really, but the
Mhm.
way to visit a beach is really good. Let's take an example of Konkan, Maharashtra. But mountains, when you go, no, it
अलग ही
it really
vibe है.
frees you.
Hmm.
मतलब आपको लगता है यार कि जॉब, फैमिली, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, इसके बाहर भी एक लाइफ है विच एवरी सिंगल ह्यूमन शुड एंजॉय. सो
Absolutely.
ऑब्वियसली माउंटेन्स.
इसलिए अपने रील्स में भी कहीं कहीं कहा है कि मई आ गया है, अप्रैल आ गया है,
Yes.
वेकेशन टाइम है,
Yes,
एंजॉय.
yes,
राइट.
yes.
Absolutely. Now, Samprada, now knowing you और आपकी पर्सनालिटी के बारे में, what is freedom according to you?
Okay, so there is no definition of freedom for anyone on the earth,
Mhm.
I would say. Everyone has right to do anything they want. But जो हमने ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी ने जो फ्रीडम डिसाइड किए हैं, सो टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई एम द Eldest, oldest क्या होता है?
एल्डेस्ट
Eldest, okay.
हाँ.
So to be honest, I would say I'm the eldest one in the family. As I mentioned, I have little brother, little sister. But पता है, when I say I'm really blessed, because मेरे पापा ने कभी भी ऐसे नहीं बोला है कि you are बेटी, like your daughter. They always treated me like I'm their first son. Okay. So अभी तक लाइफ में मैंने कभी से सुना नहीं है मेरे घर से कि लेट नाइट हो गई है, तू मत जा, तू ये मत कर, तू वो मत कर. Obviously they were scared when I thought about buying a bike, but they all said was कि तू चला पाएगी, it is very heavy, इससे हैंडल होगा, अगर तू गिर गई तो इंजूरीज वगैरह, तो ये. बट मैंने आज तक ऐसे कभी फील नहीं किया है कि मुझे रेस्ट्रिक्शंस है. सो व्हेन आई थिंक अबाउट अदर गर्ल्स और माय फ्रेंड्स आर देयर, ओके, तो उनको ना बहुत सोचना पड़ता है कुछ भी करने के लिए कि उनके घर वाले हाँ बोलेंगे नहीं बोलेंगे. प्लस अगर लेट नाइट कहीं जाना भी है, लेट्स से ऑफिस के काम से भी, सो ऑफिस कलीग्स दे थिंक अरे यार मुझे घर पे पूछना होगा. व्हाई? इट इज़ योर लाइफ. At the time when girls are doing nothing in the village side, you are at least got a chance to learn, to do something. You are struggling क्योंकि job करना is not a normal thing. We have to manage everything. So freedom is something which everyone should have. Everyone deserves it, and people should not judge कि अरे ये कर रही है, वो कर रही है. So it's kind of everyone's basic what I can say is need. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now अगर हम आपकी राइडिंग जर्नी को एक बुक का नाम देना चाहें, आपके अकॉर्डिंग वो क्या होगा एंड क्यों?
Okay, so I think The Girl Chasing Horizons.
Okay.
The story behind this is, again, I never thought I'll own it, but now I'm owning it, feeling that every happy moment, and roaming here and there, riding my cherry. So yes.
Very nice. अब आप एक मैसेज अगर हमारे ऑडियंस को देना चाहो, what would it be?
Do whatever you want. Life एक ही बार मिलती है. We don't know what will happen at the next moment.
Absolutely.
ठीक है, जो भी हम अभी सुन रहे हैं, people at our age, people कोई भी मतलब कुछ भी हो रहा है. So life is a one time deal, man. मतलब जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला है कि लाइफ आपको एक ही बार मिलेगी. अपना हर पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि नेक्स्ट वाला आखिरी हो. ओके, आई रियली फील इट, क्योंकि जीना एक ही बार मिलेगा. एंजॉय एवरी मोमेंट.
ये मैं एब्सोल्युटली समझ पा रही हूँ, बिकॉज एक्चुअली लाइफ इज इन दीज डेज लाइफ इज वेरी अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. आपको एक्चुअली में नहीं पता दैट नेक्स्ट मोमेंट क्या होगा.
यस, एंड अगेन one more thing, we should do everything responsibly, but then we should do everything. We should not think कि अरे यार अभी ये करेंगे तो ये क्या. Do it. It will make you happy, and that's the only aim of life.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. अब मैंने एक ट्रेंड चालू किया है फॉर माय पॉडकास्ट चैनल कि जो भी आपसे पहले जो गेस्ट आए होंगे उन्होंने एक क्वेश्चन आपके लिए छोड़ के गए होंगे, वो क्वेश्चन का आपको आंसर देना है. सिमिलरली आपको नेक्स्ट गेस्ट के लिए क्वेश्चन छोड़ के जाना है.
ओके,
ठीक है. तो जो आपसे पहले आए थे उन्होंने ये पूछा था, बिकॉज ही वॉज अ सोशल वर्कर, उन्होंने ये पूछा था कि ऐसे कोई ज़रूरतमंद, कोई हैंडीकैप या कोई बुजुर्ग या कोई ज़रूरतमंद इंसान की आपने कभी मदद की है या करना चाहोगे?
ऑफ कोर्स.
Okay.
I love helping people, and I am a dog lover by heart. So ऐसे 2-3 charities है. एक साहस फॉर डॉग्स है. You should check their channel for sure. The work they do, it's really, I mean, yeah, very 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 good.
Correct.
मतलब वो जो स्ट्रीट डॉग्स रहते हैं, वो जो स्ट्रे डॉग रहते हैं, या फिर अगर आप भी उनको कॉल करो तो they come, they pick the dog, and they have their shelters near Akurdi. I'm not able to tell you the exact address, but they are there on the Instagram. So they do really good work, man. मतलब इतने सारे डॉग्स हैं जिनको लोग अबेंडन करते हैं, मारते हैं लिटरली लोग. So no one deserves this.
Absolutely nobody deserves.
And there is one more thing, not able to tell the place, and the name I'm not able to remember now. बट आई डू हेल्प देम. कोई मॉल्स में वगैरह भी उनके स्टॉल्स रहते हैं.
हाँ.
हाँ. So I would really love to connect with the guest also, and I would really love to help them for sure because
Wonderful.
they are doing really great work. Hats off to them.
Yes, उनके
Yeah.
हार्ड वर्क के लिए एंड पेशेंस के लिए.
Yes.
Very beautiful. So yes, this is the end of the podcast, Samprada. I hope you have enjoyed it. आपको मेरे questions कैसे लगे?
It's really good,
Mhm.
practical,
Mhm.
and based on the real life scenarios. Okay, and I really enjoyed it because I did not think of कि मतलब after owning Cherry,
हाँ.
I'll go to the podcast and we'll connect such a good person like you. But yes,
Wow.
I enjoyed it.
Thank
We'll
you
connect
so
for
much. It
sure.
means a lot. मुझे आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड यू नो मैं जैसे हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि अगर आप लोगों को और कुछ देखना हो, अगर पहली बात तो ये बताइएगा कि ये पॉडकास्ट कैसा लगा. कमेंट सेक्शन में भर दीजिए कि क्या अच्छा लगा आपको, कौन सा ऐसा पॉइंट, कौन सा ऐसा क्वेश्चन और कौन सा ऐसा आंसर उनका अच्छा लगा हो.
Yes.
नेक्स्ट मैं किसको कवर करूँ ये भी आप मुझे ज़रूर बता सकते हैं. लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. If you have any question, any doubt, you can ask me.
Absolutely.
Thank you so
मैं इनका
much.
इंस्टाग्राम का आईडी डेफिनेटली डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी. एक क्वेश्चन तो रह गया. जैसे मैंने कहा था ट्रेंड चल रहा है. संप्रदा, आपका क्वेश्चन जो मैं नेक्स्ट गेस्ट को पूछ सकूं.
Okay, so it would be related to my journey.
Mhm.
So I have responsibilities. I am handling everything. Okay, but if in case जो भी नेक्स्ट गेस्ट आएंगे या फिर आप जिनको भी इंटरव्यू लेंगे, प्लीज आस्क एवरीवन इफ देयर वाइफ और देयर डॉटर या फिर देयर डॉटर इन लॉ, ओके, बहू, अगर उनको पूछती है कि दे वांट टू ओन अ बाइक, व्हाट वुड बी देयर रिएक्शन?
वाओ, एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल क्वेश्चन और ये मैं पूछूंगी नेक्स्ट एपिसोड पे.